And a few weeks ago, he insisted there was no Modi wave. Now, veteran politician and UPA ally Sharad Pawar has been quoted by a Marathi newspaper as predicting that the Narendra Modi-led BJP will be the single largest party after the general elections. It's an assessment that's in sync with most opinion polls, but it's unlikely to go down well with the Congress just 5 days before the first day of polling.
The BJP will be the single largest party. Joining the NDA chorus, one of UPA's tallest leaders, NCP President Sharad Pawar. A day after Pawar rubbished Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray's claim that he was pushing to join the NDA, the union minister told a Marathi newspaper, Lok Satta, that the BJP will emerge as the single largest party, the Congress at number 2, while Jayalalitha and Mamta Banerjee will fight for the third spot. Pawar claims Modi won't be PM, but he also seemed to reject Rahul Gandhi, saying there would be no consensus over any one leader.
देखिए, एक बात है, इसमें कोई उन्होंने अजूबी बात तो बोली नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार बनाने जा रही है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी लेड एनडीए 300 से ज्यादा सीटें लेकर के पूरी सरकार बनाएगा।
It is surprising, as barely weeks ago Pawar had said just the opposite.
One has to accept that somebody is trying, or certain political forces are trying to project somebody and create atmosphere. But I don't know how far it is paying.
In distant Bihar, NDA's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi adding to Pawar's ally the Congress's embarrassment.
ये पहला चुनाव ऐसा है जहां चुनाव घोषित होने से पहले ही चुनाव का नतीजा घोषित हो चुका है.
So the question of trying to read messages into Mr. Pawar's comment, I think is frankly pretty inappropriate and doesn't really hold any water. And the Congress party will be the single largest party.
Is Sharad Pawar seriously pushing for a political realignment even if he has to dump the UPA? It's hard to tell, as Pawar, known to be one of India's shrewdest politicians, has kept giving confusing signals. And for his party, the NCP, which has only 9 seats, and their tally is likely to go down even further. Even the Maratha stalwart's political clout may not get his party too far. In Mumbai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.